All right. Welcome to this office hour. Guys, Brother Hunter will not be with us today, and he asked me to uh, conduct this lab with you guys, this office hour. I would go over a couple of details, and I would like to explain and um, tell you guys about a couple of details about this assignment. First, the purpose of this assignment is to help each one of us to develop the skill of investigate a complex problem and figure out what test script should I write to test this process. This is the main idea. Well, in this lab, basically we have three steps. I'd say. First step is to choose one sensor in your phone, right? It could be a face ID, it could be a touch ID, it could be, I don't know, GPS or multi-touch proximity sensor, whatever you want. And then with this sensor, you have to test in three different scenarios. You have to choose which scenario you want to test. Let's say face ID, you want to test in different distances. And then you want to test face ID in a dark room or in a pretty much room with a good light. Or let's say the third scenario would be, I don't know, maybe you're running or moving the 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 phone, and then you can test with the phone in movement how can how it will perform. And then the next step would be write a summary of your observations. So after three scenarios, after doing those three different situations, performing those different situations, and then you write your findings. You just write what you observed in each scenarios, and then you have the summary, and that's it. And one thing that you have to do after this is post on the discussion board, of course, and then you have to go over at least two classmates and try to follow uh, their scripts. It's one kind of thing that you can do, or you can just comment or tell them what you observed and make some comments. Okay, at least two classmates in order to get 20% of the score. And 70% of this assignment is your summary, and 10% is the professionalism um, of the assignment. And then you get 100% of point, which is 50 points. Let me share my screen. Let me go over a couple of examples. First example I would like to share is this one, Isaac. So Isaac did a really good job. You can see on the discussion board, he decided to test the GPS, and then we have three scenarios. One scenario is comparing with Google Maps. The other scenario is different floors in the building. The third scenario was compared with another system, and then we have the results here. He even put some screenshots, and it's really good. It's pretty straightforward, and I like this one. The other one, let me show this. So this one, we see another guy choose to use the Measure app, which basically it's a virtual measurement tape. And then he put, well, we have a picture here. So he measured with the tape the length of the table, and then he used the app to measure again in different circumstances, like scenario one vibration, scenario two different lights, and scenario three with focus or not good focusing. Anyway, so and then we have the results here and observations. It's pretty good this one as well. Let's see another one. So, well, you can see on the discussion board, you see like this one from Michael. It's really good. So he decided to test the gyroscope, and then we have three scenarios here. First scenario at rest. Second scenario is like walking with the phone in hand, and the third scenario he decided to like placing and retrieving the phone from back pocket. And then you guys can comment here, like this one. Okay. Yeah. So I think that's it. If you guys have any question, please just reach me out or brother Hunter, and we are here to help. Okay. I think that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys later. Let me stop recording.